Welcome to our tiny home. Tiny home is made on a frame specifically made for tiny houses. It weighs 10,800 pounds. It has 2 axles that support 14,000 pounds. Trailer has electric brakes, lights in the back. The front stores the tankless water heater, electricity. It's for the areas for the water. Multiple access points for bathroom ventilation and washer dryer hookup. Along with the tankless water heater is the electrical box. It's where the electricity plugs in, similar to an RV. The siding's made of concrete composite, which will last much longer than a regular wood siding. Built-in steps leading up to the top. Pull-out step allows you to store additional storage in there. Multiple storage points underneath the steps. Steps lead to a loft. The loft at its highest point is 3.3 feet 2 inches. Very slight taper out to the side. Multiple windows for cross ventilation. We have multiple lights up there. They turn off upstairs and downstairs. Built-in couch underneath allows you to store things under that lid pulls up. Outlet for a light or your phone or whatever. In the back is a barn-style door leading into the bathroom. But just behind the steps, before we get to the bathroom, you have the washer-dryer hookup. A light with additional storage. That remote is for the fan light combination in the living room. The bathroom, you have a corner style shower glass in the corner for additional storage, linens and whatever. Sink, toilet. Moving to the front, you have the kitchen. It's on a raised platform. You're able to store a twin bed underneath the kitchen. You have your built-in bar for eating or cooking or whatever you want to do. Stove is currently hooked up for propane but can change to natural gas. Has 4 burners, an oven, and a warming oven below. All the utensils you see and everything in the whole house comes with the tiny house. Comes with a sink, refrigerator, outlet on top for a microwave.